Never have frizzy curls again with these 5 tips. Always style on wet hair. You want your hair to be soaking wet or damp so you can reduce any frizz from happening from the start. Tip number 2 is to brush out your hair to smooth your hair out and to prevent any knots so you can have a blank canvas for styling. Tip number 3, when finding products to style your hair, you want to find products that are reparative and hydrating. Using a light leave-in conditioner is going to be really nice because it's going to allow you to have light hydration and it won't weigh your hair down. When choosing a styling product, I also like using a gel. I recommend Plaine Product Styling Gel. It is a sustainable, plastic-free option. It is really great because not only does it tame frizz, but it's made with flaxseed and aloe vera, so it's very moisturizing and it's gonna leave your hair very shiny and a very touchable, soft hold. Tip number 4, when distributing product into your hair, you wanna work in small sections. It doesn't matter to the technique that you use, whether that's brush styling, finger coiling, or scrunching. Making sure that your product is evenly distributed is going to make a massive difference. Tip number 5, when you are drying your hair, specifically if you are diffusing, make sure that your settings for your dryer are low speed and low heat. Those are my tips for frizz-free curls. If you enjoyed this, leave a heart and share this with another curl friend. And if you're interested in Plaine products, tap the link in my bio to purchase today.